Good morning, world. Look how pretty the sky is. Wow. We are in Devonport for the day. Just took the ferry over and now we're heading to a restaurant for some brunch lunch and then we'll walk around the town. It's a beautiful day. The ferry ride was nice and short. I'm vlogging.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're okay. And I'll show you the food once we get there, but look how beautiful. Stunning. Tell you though, New Zealand is truly so lovely and so nice compared to the air quality in New York City. It's beautiful here, and luckily every day that it's rained there has been a little bit of sunshine or just cloudiness, so we've been able to go for a walk pretty much every day, which has been lovely as well. We've been eating really good. We have a few days left. I'm gonna be so sad to go back home because it's been so nice to spend time with some family and my grandparents. Check in with you later. I'm gonna give an outfit of the day, sis.
Sure. This is Uniqlo. This is Uniqlo. This is my grandmother's hat.
Stunning.
Do mine?
Oh yeah, go for it, mum.
This is Marks and Spencer's.
Beautiful.
White stuff handbag.
Oh yeah.
Potter shoes. Old ladies. And can't remember the hat. I think I bought the hat in Dubrovnik actually.
Wow, she is a traveller.
One easy holidays bacon.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Thank you. It is a bit cold. Oh, it's a bit chilly. Whee! Go sailing, enjoy great dining, panoramic views, and a lively social scene. You don't even need a boat. Hashtag join the club. Sorry. Hey, that's dangerous, Gunga. I could sue you.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Just trying to work out where it is going.
I don't know, Papa.
I want to put a plaster on it.
Yeah.
She nearly lost a toe.
Dinner time. Sitting outside tonight, and we've got a salad. We've got some prawns, some, what's that?
Sausages.
No, what's that?
Pork.
Oh, pork. Travels getting here. Cole is lathering it on. If you're visiting New Zealand, you can't not go on any scenic walks. Like that's just like you have to do that when you're in New Zealand. That's what New Zealand is known for. And whenever we go, we always try to go on some sort of nice little mild hike walk because, you know, I personally am kind of an I'm an outsidey person. I'm not an outdoorsy person. So I thrive off of like a 25 to 30 minute hike, and that's kind of all I want to do that day. And that's what this walk was. I definitely struggled. As you can see here, there were a lot of hilly, steep steep sections and it was quite warm this day, but overall, when you just look over to your left and you see that beautiful view, you're like, okay, I can do this, I can make it through. And we were also really close to Piha and Black Sand Beach, so we just drove down there and did a nice little walk along the beach, and it was just stunning. And so I highly recommend that when you go to New Zealand, you try to find some sort of like scenic, cute nature walk. And there's a little bit of everything for everybody, you know, like as I said, I'm not somebody that really wants to be like camping, but if that's what you want to do, New Zealand's also the perfect place for that as well. So it's kind of pick your own adventure, I would say, whenever you go to New Zealand. Black Sand. Welcome to Black Sand Beach. We're at Piha. 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 Can you hear us? Piha. 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 It's so nice. I like it. Bye. Hi vlog.
Hello.
We're going walking in the Waitakaris today. It's a hot day though, let me tell you that. But we're gonna see some pretty scenery, and I am of course taking you along for the journey. Today is Thursday.
Okay.
Good God. We're on a walk. And JP's nowhere to be found. He ran away.
How fun! Oh god.
And we're just going down steep hills and stairs.
Which means you have
to go up. But no, seriously, where did he go?
Justin!
JP! Well, how you far away? Hello, Marco!
It was a 15-minute thing, and that said 25 minutes back to the car park.
Should we go back then? Well, I think we might turn around now. So we can go to a mall. Get some food. Too much steepness. Help. Up the hill we go. Yay.
Alright, what do you say we race?
Oh God. That's a steep hill. Excellent. Really excellent. Well, we did it. Kicking and screaming, we did it, eh, JP?
We did it.
JP's like, I don't understand what the fuss is.
Easy, peasy.
Easy. Really getting into it.
You've seen those TikToks where it's like hitting the spots in like
Yeah.
New Jersey and it's like the Grand Canyon.
Heel.
Go.
Oh, they're playing.
Banana grams.
Hi, Papa. It's nice as a sugar girl.
Sorry? Was nice?
Sugar girl's
What
nice.
did you get?
Do I have a Y?
No! Oh, I need another I. How do you spell grizzly? With two
Z's.
Z's.
Oh, there's two Q's here.
Can I do Riz?
Yeah, it's the word of the year.
Is it?
I can't actually though, because I don't have two Z's.
Riz.
Bananas.
Oh.
What in the good God name? I've done one word.
Phase, hone, in, class, dice,
I
die.
actually despise you.
Dang.
I did
It's how much
literally
my
one
brain
word.
works this way though.
That is.
Oh. Hit me.
I'm sticking.
Sticking.
Hit me. Or you can burst into it.
I would stick because he has a low
Yeah.
card, so the likelihood that he busts is higher than, yeah. Alright.
New buying of $1.
What?
Okay. Big money, big money.
Big money.
Hit. Hit.
18.
Stick.
Same.
21.
Are you?
Ginger Sake!
Don't mind if I do.
Oh my goodness.
You've gotten 21 so. Hey,
I
it's
haven't
rigged.
got 21
I wish I was
It's
confident enough to rig this
rigged.
game.
It's rigged, JP.
I wish I was confident. Here we are.
Hit.
Hit
17.
11,
21.
21.
Oh.
Or do I pay you or do we?
Oh,
well hit. Well hit.
Oh my God, you scared.
Just like that.
Oh.
on Immense.
Toys are all.